And they rock. Cashier's check. Draws for your lead. Dagger look. Moving a party outside is the stablemate Fortissimo. Running by the rail. Royal Scepter. Marigold. Cannon Wheel by the rail. Dreammaker. Second last is Sunday Street. And trailing the group is Field Star. Heading towards the last 600. Now we have Dagger Look. Cashier's check is by the rail. Moving up Fortissimo. Royal Scepter closing in fourth. Then comes Marigold. Heading towards the last 450. We have Dagger Look. Fortissimo now in a 1-2 position by the rail. Cashier's check. Royal Scepter is in between runners. By the rail is Dreammaker. Marigold is already outside. Cannon Wheel with the last 150 more to run. We have the couple entries in a 1-2 position. Moving a party outside. Fortissimo. Dagger Look is by the rail and Royal Scepter with the last 50 meters. Fortissimo over Dagger Look and finally Fortissimo. Dagger Look. Then comes number 5, Royal Scepter, Marigold, close between Cannon Wheel, Dreammaker. Then comes Sunday Street, Cashier's Check, and Field Star.